And sometimes you know all test to faith now. See, do on the catch say, "O faith na ba test there." There are things that do not qualify you. You also understand. One of the things I don't pay we were talking about, so yeah, the majority. I remember catching some press conference. Now the third press conference, no nyama omo keka wom no. Yen hwebi. Na yembra. Yaba. Then I will tell you, Bank of Ghana, what they are saying, since 1957 July, they established the central bank, and the purpose and the function of the central bank, the intention of the central bank since 1957 under the ordinance of the central bank laws. Now they say, ya mendi biya repeal biya. Yes, some bedru baby ayedri the functions of the central bank, you know. The majority during that time, no, said say, even the central bank, you know, it's not a profiteering company and an institution. Don't be so much and say, central bank, yan farm must say, be a banga, a dimfa so ebe bragging. Name of the central bank is a banker. Baby stabilize the economy. No? So the stabilization of the economy, that is what they also see. But I don't pay my kwa so. Na many Alhaji Abubakari or no our Benshia South MPP organizer. Alhaji Anopai Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum. Ekisai na Kwame.
Alhaji Boko na so what to say?
Na me na do mo.
The do bad yasi.
Sompa FM.
What I had to say Mohonom no mentemi wansi bi amenity so. Alhaji what's the exactly what exact case a woman shares out?
Okay, petty chief na. Me jide say obi awe. Fa ya we so na ina yura ene odi na puda opemsuo ye ina ja ono ana ma ya na no mo bebi atena beti se edu ye so meria eja ye ne tia tunji mu ntene odi na woda ye adekasi ya ma sentimenti na ayesu ye ko ekochejo mu a be kan bom na nyakopon amano nkwatintin watime ahihie asantiman abe krabefe na yasere twede nyakopon emani wiase nyansa nyina odi ama Solomon ontime chitere asantiman na ne dachi na odi pa ebebo kosise wiase nyakopon abetunta biyina menua me sanaba onyosema eja asama ubisa mi nana Kwame so Sompa na
Aya.
So the way yedi mu anu me jide say we central for ya dia ade sen nyina to bia motimi fi mai ni bibia
Sompa FM
the meta no kre tie man sha south here me jide say he say obi a we delegate a wasom efie na etwom yi o album asrata fe in the film bibia say ni wanya no kre just fabric chimbina ebi mo pese o mo say constituency ni eni mo nyama ye kura na Ghana fa na nyina eni kura mo no say e tip mensia no ibo no mo fi mu ko patenta ultimate temper hello
Alhaji as a from maybe for our chikakra
ja we lose sight
okay
so
ayepa hade ayepa la
enti obi free mu and obi a permanent traveler ontimi ni obi enhia na nan ko say emfina be dura Ebien Fra, Yabis, Kasaya, all the police stations. Previous 5-5. Now party na acquire review. They call amend your constitution. PJ Muhammad police station behind the panson. Yeah, the electoral affairs and our communication at the police station level. At the account ama each police station behind the panson. And to be a nomination. Dodo no abefa. Ya me ado me esi constitution fano. Ya kan say abefa fiti ubia ba electoral area befa ye. Ya ti abajuku mu a ubia electoral area bia ne pamiensa omoda no. Eye MP sinemu constituency ni sinemu and the original party ni sinemu ntetere man committee each electoral area. Me did say near my course. And you know, correct say, a dumo, a ibumo frimu, and I'll be by say, obey police station, or a party me. Requirement is supposed to be a party member. Who Jimmy Nana? And so your party ni mua, who your party near
Sompa FM
party. And some who qualify to contest or to qualify to pick a form.
Okay.
We are sworn they say be open media attention. That's all be far. Oko vetia se party dey ti say akunya to fiu ana me boa kunja to abusimu a
obi a
abusu yi ni ho no o prayer so ba be ka akunya na ba kwase mana ana akunya no penyi ni se mana me boa se abusu penyi na abusu ni tena se akunya na wo no ibe hiya se obeka akunya no abakwase mana ana ne penyi ni sem nti etutu anu a wo krafa obedi akunya na abusuani na be yase sa na party tu ekekere tu ye party no ba be kwa party no ho asem de be bisa ensem bi wo party no at the constituency level so nti me feel say ya everything ye nyi obi afiri mu metima ka almost 25 to 80% a qualifier one here acclamation to aba kakre bi aka na eguso a ye didim kobo fire ni an intimate marker say there is no cause of alarm in my shasa
alaji na che say o ka say every word ma mo be acclamation amoma popular acclamation amoma that means say o mu kokonton kra na
say bi bia ba fa ko to police issue baba fa form chama obi so am be fa anyone prayer automatic on the 10th or on the 11th of this month they be chama ABS National House of Chiefs. Work of our form, so we are secretary. And I maybe Menua. Abia, Manchia Administration, Tuland, Police Station, Chairman Abefa, Secretary Abefa, Organizer Abefa, Youth Organizer Abefa, Electoral Affairs Abefa, Abefa, Sanipa, and Sui Befa, the next Kanta will be also Befa Abia or contested communication. And a secretary. It's automatic that station to land administration police automatic on the 11th or on the 10th. You need to do that because remember from 10th to 16th. About to because why? About one question so within days, you know, from 10th to 16th. 16th. There's some acclamation mass microphone.
No correct.
85 to 90% of delegates in my qualified to be acclamation. Bare 10%, you know, Uswa, a didim como, 10% pinchi, but be a bep above that is qualified in yellow crack. BBS.
Now, okay, say, every odd more pay media fame and popularity. I don't dare Bujana so Casa. Sap my
Kunyana, they make us media attention and social media attention. Make us say, constituency myself almost 28 years.
Okay.
I'm the longest serving officer in the constituency.
Okay.
I've been the youth organizer for 28 years. And to make a party of my share out to a minimum they make. Me say I be more just a media attention or social media attention.
But I don't know large young and say their grievances no aftermath of vetting no you be young of what you say yourself about party you know that back the history of a party no. Na yentina se kwan ya ye de be ADR ye de be resolve enkofo displeasure any omu omu raise aba.
Oh, party no one say you appeal committee. And I say asset na yen will be pana ko appeal ko. As a party no. Say be a what in chain. Obe di ba e balance e be party no forms. One be fa e me won ko veti.
Yeah.
Na e be a wa qualify or ya disqualify. Nti what social media ke kan won sem a. Me this a threat of the party no wo busu.
Oh, okay.
So
senka wo bibi kra the best in a party in hye say. Ya wo baby I de faka no.
Yes.
I see.
A balance disqualify kra. Who there is appeal committee. And all the senators of the party in the constituency level. There is appeal committee. It's the BBS sensi. And constituency no you you constituency no. You ura na constituency no. You ura ko constituency no. You ura aduko constituency no. So you wa kukuda mo moji de bo for ko ebubo some of personalities or more the party constituency no. You pedigree was zero. And the movie I manage party at the constituency level. Yeah, both constituency in mobile. The movie I would be a number and say constituency in intra. So what make an artist. And the look what say that is a constituency in the Numunyam. And the business social media because the can't be high. Wine and of course about vetting and disqualified. And I want to person will demonstration against the party. Me who sound for now. Ebe ebo mudi 1 2 3 bia mi mo ana bia omo de o ma de sere dia ba constituency na ya ni pen ya ma o ana o be peke form na ya pen so ana me titum say bia a style of leadership ye ni pay ana me boa
yeah
obi tin chen ono a wo be preview o ti de mu be bia o be nya sama ka fa ho ye ni pay
aro kra so a form so kra wa me peki bi enso be o se nam social media. What do you say?
Matthias, or no form to be a queen, one be PQ. Also, would be another acclamation. And a BB and a Mojata and a party in a bread, and a only be a puno two on one be picky for potentiality.
Yeah, friend, my crowd,
there be Oma, who the and I make on the party, no, itinerary editor. So they say from 10th of this month up to 16th of this month, 6 days, you know. Obi a acclamation I claim it no more predict no am acclamation maybe a better ban so more up to 10 to 16 for baby to abani atuaba on the 17th I dare change 17th say mo gazette ni na with the party the kind of system no so bia the system no entrance say and the na ko duru a onya the depend di ko share wa mema ufato ebia rogi cinema ene panso no munya di ko wura system no agi sem fie nine obi an tele fan tanka this is our system now MPP say ni pa wu akwa won't be replacement ne pa ne permanent travel won't be replacement ne pa ne resign kra won't be replacement this is nine the party na ye chechero no ba ya ko enimu at MPP enti obi bia from now no there to see safe the obi bia ye intention. After 16th, it may be a port and I shall say entrance. Entrance, and transmit BBI, you could do MPP at the Mua. Ubeka a crowd laptop. This in fear nine. Who is that crying to be temper? What? Memo Paton, your MP, and Buffalo.
Yeah.
None of Buffalo. No police station chairman. At the constituency. Ansana or resign call ABM aspiring as a parliamentary candidate. Yep, or election of Dim Kudu. May catch also album more essential menu Cassie. Salvon Yanyan for best attire on the 17th. Who be album or a police station chairman. The system on capital as a member of parliament.
Okay.
What did the mechanism?
Matthias, a party. A woman still a woman 4 years you know.
Napodi, when you come to Manchester South Alabama, Napodi any member of parliament. Because young temper.
I see.
But you are out to what say Napo resign as a member of parliament.
Yeah.
But when you go to our website, who could be a first Alabama, Napodi any member of parliament from Manchester South.
And about for why polling station chairman.
But in the resolution at the party office, copy to the region, copy to the letter, so I resign a contest. But when you come to Albon, Port and India, who could be now is a still member of parliament from Manchester. And you meet in China, you may from
once you've been elected in India, or mandate in a period in India, the Albon keeps your name intact and the position now. Jinamuno. Ebe jinama. Aye.
What is I let your point? Get your stamp date stamp BBO. The copy of my region. But all you go to lawyer Adumapia. There is resignation letter from Jesus the Messiah stamp. Ready now or resign I will hope. Who could give so, but Albon no party because in 3 months. What did the mechanic?
Yeah.
What's the previous email from an MP Albon Co and a Albon Co and a national with 2 promises now yet to pop us at the second time. You couldn't even know. Yeah, me at it in the Myanmar. Yes, Peter. Metima catcher or tell my share south. There is no cause for alarm.
Okay.
That it would be our system. Yeah, near you. Chatana me at Chile would be out here some Sompa FM. Almost 95% are done. I be biased to be. There can just technicality, pictures, more spelling mistake, being a car. So, that will go out organizer, make request in Pusu, bear and grab a first 7%. I choose why and any channel I did now. Yamia Dumois from near move area by electoral area. So I say,
now
party is why amendment.
Okay.
Then now yes, maybe assemblyman there will be fully right. On previous police station be one electoral area coordinator and manager. What the mechanism? Every 10 station be it's a coordinated for at the party. But now a new amendment here ewa cry ko gazette here. Yes, I demo electoral area, local government structure electoral area. So what the mechanism? And then so you be 5-member executive on bit man starting from chairman, secretary, organizer, electoral affairs, communication, so and the research officer area. And the MHS with a 6 electoral area. And also after 20 of no by electoral area executive election. Through my shout out to crowd say be party nation among could be abeyafu.
All right. Alhaji Mamina say now obesa organizer nana.
Oh minia. Very well be do.
Baby because organizer there who want dem ho pa.
As dean of organizers in the region, as a local service organizer in the region, myself almost 28 years.
Wow.
From youth organizer to organizer. Near Bompire, Emperor Focasa. Emperor Focasa, a dinner to Torregi.
Inshallah.
And she ever the Amebe.
Mate.
Mate,
thank you.
With us.
Alhaji Abubakari ana Odru Mensha South ono aneye organizer ewo honum enti the grievances ne nkoma anope sha ase ba kofo bi omo ntu omo ho ase because vetting no won say they were not treated fairly. The ombe demonstration, ombe raising red alert, ombe alarming the national executives, regional executives and all that. Alhaji say, simple, vetting every na say, unti bibia say, your appeals committee. It's not about demonstration. You know that. I mean, bench out, and then they say vetting ya shall kosi. I say, Abo no said yes, I na said that up to now. ya gazetting unless said there will be a new election a dinner woman na we know say election young phobia be kura obu agenda we suit we decide so yes agenda we so why we body tell we be shout out your queen
Kwame ma me na se na me nja atifo na ye no mo asese o ma join ye anopai Kwame politics na de say ya na e be cost no say ya na e be cost experience no because me nya sure say holiness or politics mo me nya sure say politics na e be nya bribia par fanchim da enya den a ebi ho beka enya den a ebi mpe enhihye ebi ne nioma bi ampedifo de begu akwan mu because ze asofo kra ne asore kra ma yati ase say se duru abatwo so a eduru election so a mafia kakra wu
masa
ane
abatwo ne dia masa na be kwa
yes the yare say obey diligent na wani nso be den say do that time na ma wani na ho na wani nso nya den that time no asa enya sa pa de Kwame ye de befa wase
entam
ye de befa wase ye eguta akora ne eje
entam
eguta akora ne eje ndi ho na wo say we very very due diligent e wo honom na fi nso wo ma wani nya den no nso no ededi eduru honom a ye nya aboteresem o ye nya kam sem ye wi a ne aka bom ye wi a ne a resolve the see ye bia ye wi a achope wo ba bia ne de akọ because after election no resolution na aka nti say ye diu a ye de diu say ye diu sa time no so a na resolution ba wontumi mprim akoma sa chinchin atwan na akoye say wo wabeda ne tag say wo mpe party ni ye wo pe party ni down for wo wakwakoye ba ko bi a wodem a opese wo say party no nti no say de edidi wo no na enye kra na empedifo nyina be hu say wo na wonye nti me mafutu anopai ni say de ekono bi wani na ho na wani adin na ekuta no wani na di satani hakom ye ni din ye bia ne me de manyame bi anim bi anim yo betumi aye no ye afa amfa so a we are penny baby afa that's all mama ne say papa no sim ni baby abiem tie masem yi mama ni baby abiem ori go pie mu ko ta party penny for be kan bom ni abatu agu ni akasa asem we party asem ye yi aba fie enfie mienu mfie mienza mfie nan ni enwie ye na wasam na odi ko pie mu court no ye yi aba fie na fie aba be ye bibie wo ho
that time no de na edu achire yes I call really crowd the better need ma o favor crana ki enya enkosi baby time ni nyina hyiagu enti de owo ye bia e brewe mo wani na ho mo wani nya den mo wani na ho mo wani nya den na fe nso shase pick informations na de na ekọ de na eba say na esitie de na besi ekoso wo he sa media Kwame ye no waso no na wo so o ma no da fom na o ma woni nso da ho na woni nso ye den asa tie wo mu a wa frɛ o pani ba ko bi de na ekɔ sɛn na sitie ade hye wa ginchiri saa na ye no saa na ye no enya duru so de bia ni bia yes I de be wo wani ye de be wo wani nso Kwame wunyi de wo wani no ni tete no mfiri ho no umie wani no na omko na de na di ediwo nti saa na tie ndi man share de no that is the only I can say and the advice I made to media man and pedifo mo a good advice
but then pedifo no so omoma no susu nya extreme
almost
so many years streams away the akwakoye obvious say you just say you bu obi you obi that be e basa na mo de avati beba party no e basa nso a mo be ma e be free party no e basa interest na man for what ma party no so e be yira enti ye ma ye ni na ho na ye hunu said ye bia for the good of the party opinion
all right Kwame mama na say na se video na ready am so mo me nko pediatric wage ade no me yansa nko homra da menye Kwame comment on it krata ministry nso ede aba ho
so wan be bia no amaye obehu de to aso because ye makwan kura ye makwan e ma hospital we enka wuram enti ye ba ha no pa ya boko o me be hospital na my how many minutes and be taken from the first minister of health aba be from the hospital no enya kwasi asa otu opposition some men wanka and some men kwabra mi ta gado wanka ya be hospital yes you hospital fe obi aso daye ndc abamba e wosi odwin kola ho ndc abamba odwin kola bia ho what you say odwin kola ho so be dwin mo so be sin kola ayare sabia mo na se obi aba be sie mo obi bia no ka mo so aye problem e dey kwasi asama yenti ase mahama ene minister aminta kando omo me be hospital no mai ye dey asama no ye ni omo ni asam sade ye mba yare a ye be ne ba video makọ ye ba ya boko bye bye.
So that is it.
I feel you are starting. So I'm be bia no am here. Obehu de to aso because ye makwan kura. Ye makwan e ma hospital we enka ngam. Enti ye ba no pa ya e boko. O me be hospital am here. How many minutes and be taken from the first minister of health aba be from the hospital no. Enya kwasi asa otu opposition some men wanka and some men kwabra mi ta gado wanka. Ya be hospital yes you hospital fe obi aso daye ndc abamba e wosi odwin kola ho ndc abamba odwin kola bia ho what you say odwin kola ho so be dwin mo so be sin kola ayare sabia mo na se obi aba be sie mo obi bia no ka mo so aye problem e dey kwasi asama yenti ase mahama ene minister aminta kando omo me be hospital no mai ye dey asama no ye ni omo ni asam sade ye mba yare a ye be ne ba video makọ ye ba ya boko baba edin afeni ya starting so am be bia no am ya obehu de to aso because ye makwan kura ye makwan e ma hospital we enka ngam enti ye ba ha no pa ya e ye boko o me bia hospital am ya how many minutes and be taken from the first minister of health aba be from the hospital no enya kwasi asa otu opposition some men wanka and some men kwabra mi ta gado wanka ya be hospital yes you hospital fe obi aso daye ndc abamba e wosi odwin kola ho ndc abamba odwin kola bia ho what you say odwin kola ho so be dwin mo so be sin kola ayare sabia mo na se obi aba be sie mo obi bia no ka mo so aye problem
all right enti ano so no but bon fan chair I think say kasa ni bi o am hu ntemanka yeah sponge from enti mo sponge from answered my enti ya say aboane ka ni bre
ane
you see the building is so nice Kwame no mo room chem say uru emergency wa afro kwa in fact the architecture nature of the building no in fact o mind fine na edru baby sikadie ne niam bi ana ma edru baby edru a edao now ministry ni the crater bi aba the entire up to now omuntimi mfa we ni man mompesa crater no emami the third crater no enunti sisi akra me no kasa no omuntimi enko honum kohwe se ye de fa ha na ye fa ha ministry no atwe ho crater e de aba na ye behwe enu nso ewo so back Kwame initial comment on this building in the agitation of Yetimemufua Omo area.
Kwame, this country now you woman my na see Yetimono. Akwa say all of the time and 24% Omo give you excuses and Omo give you reasons to Omo failure. What I say, they want to give reasons to their failure and they want to give excuses to why they failed. And Kwame, over the fiscal structure now is see one ankasa na echro say dine ankasa uvremua uvra dine mu ankasa to me say yes. And niema ebe wo dine mu niema ebe boa. Na fi enkwada ye be hwe mu enkwada ye de be so mu ya de enkwada ye de be boa mu no mapomudin agina ne nan so no ebe koye. So the fiscal structure itself says a lot. And this morning I don't want to say all like men persebia best sounding a bit of politics or that stuff. But to me, Kwame, reading the release from the Ministry of Health, says it all. Say they are trying to cover some things up. They are trying to cover some things up, and to me really let anyway. And I come here and say politics kakra batahu in the sense that omo beba bontia ba be commission na ade na ye operational no. I say omo board delay tactics be na asefo. The explanation they are giving in the letter, Kwame, to me, it's not enough. To me, it is not satisfactory. The explanation in the letter, it is just a letter. Had it not been this demonstration, ne call out from Sir Young Kofuya, Kwame, would we have known? Said this is the situation at hand? Not at all. However, Kwame, if you read the letter now, called point 4. It tells you say they are just releasing the letter to give excuse. That's all. The said contractor Moka say mu to niema na wo banka so mu ntia na asefo no. The said letter no point 4 no nka mo provide me ehunu say in 2025 na mu tu na mo say mo pese mu operationalize hospital na 2026, and this very year when na contractor no buy e be raise concerns ntia mo ntumi raise nanka ya tiase because point 4 no me kan ye no me use excuse e no mo dey ma time being na nanka mo e ba be commission na say mo ba be tiad no na ye operational contractor no raise ni issue year ben boso me ben mo mfa no nka ho ni ehunu say oh okay and ye hotel say for boso me say no due to A B C D and among we na mo tu.
Oh, but Kwame, are we being fair to them reading from the said point 4 now? Because point 4 now can.
Yes.
So they wanted to commission it. One file letter, so they wanted to commission it.
Yes.
And then a contractor na catch you say, "Omuntimi en commission," because there are outstanding issues are resolved here.
Yes.
Now, the said contract was supposed to be completed in 2025.
Yes.
December.
Yes.
And year January 2026 May. And the buy NDC as a party a buy and the new government a buy. Now contracting is still ongoing per the books because they are supposed to hand over to them from 2025 December. And that said 2025, no more course said they wanted to commission it because that's the expiring date for the contract.
Okay.
And the contractor alerted them say there are outstanding issues are resolved here. So we cannot hand over to them as the ministry.
Yes.
Because one contractor no the project is not for GOG.
Yes.
The project is from World Bank.
Yes.
And the World Bank for say you certain procurement breaches. For that matter, your whole project, we are not going to make payment. And he say, yeah, tackle Kwame Nkwantabisa say, briefing Ben or J on the Wager Hospital. And a man briefing, was he briefed? Said World Bank for a whole project, and what was Adamwa or 2 years? That is fair.
Okay.
But on paper, the only thing that they can do is to wait and receive the project in December.
Okay.
And according to them, they moved in 2025 now. You're appointing and then contractor Nekache and say, "Omuntimi hand you over because of issues that are outstanding." And this is not the central, and yet this is not the GOG Government of Ghana project. It's World Bank project. And anything it should come from the source. There should be discussion with World Bank. Say now, omu mahu biem, omu buafu because omu say Ghana for the idea juban ma omu bokro no wo. So that is where we have to take it from.
Yeah. So Kwame, I understand wo nchiremu na odi abano. If you read point 4 means say everything on this pediatric hospital no wo mo wi. Ti say World Bank any tuasika no say aban ni bi tuasika no, they didn't provide in the said letter. But point 4 no chire say wo ma wi.
The point 4 doesn't mean so ma wi.
Kwame.
Unless you point it out. Recognizing the importance
yes.
of the project.
Yes.
Recognizing the
yes.
importance of the project.
Yes.
The Ministry of Health engaged relevant stakeholders.
Yes.
And was prepared to commission the facility for use.
Yes.
However,
yes.
the contractor subsequently halted this process,
yes.
insisting that all outstanding issues,
yes.
I repeat,
yes.
be fully resolved
yes.
before granting access to the hospital. Outstanding issues were Hong Kong is not fully completed.
I
it cannot hand over.
Meba, point 4, second sentence. Or say, however, however, the contractor subsequently halted this process. So it means say issues na e wo honom na omo wianka wo mo ba be te hospital na no na ye operational ansa na contractor e raise ni issue aye den e de buy. And I me question ne say contractor no raise ni issue no month ben and o pagya ye say mo de meka enu nti hospital no muntumi ntia no e ma ne nya adwuma. Menim say what mase a
because but
yes.
Kwame, however ne ba
yes
the however ne ba it is an adverb a contrasted to the earlier statement.
Yes. So then it means
oh the why ne ye pa nan so eba na say wa beki the okay nyina nkwase asem.
Then it means point 4 no mo de be share order. Na che say wo mu nwie bribia said your mo kan sen ko mo ba betia no na your operational. Because omo wie bribia nka contractor in raising the issue. Ti me question is say contractor raising the issue a bosomi be no reason that issue no. What you say?
Said they were not done with the project.
Absolutely. But
I won't say project. It doesn't mean so much project.
Sir, Ashasi and the crater on the ban said you're mocking can. Not to say, woman will be bianco, Mobabetiano, and a contractor a pigani issue. It is a contractor pigani issue. It means to say, the Amonka will let you musenka more you be a mobabeti. A hospital and woman operation. Munye, because you are contracting
exactly.
yourself here.
Oh, Munye, that is what I want everyone to see. Once there are outstanding issues,
better.
They are not done.
Better.
But the question we can ask the minister, said your kind say, after the information of the contractor said there are outstanding issues, and I'm no more to affirm.
Better. They only brought this letter because of a demonstration. Just to come in.
Oh, of course. Na say nothing on the buy.
Yes.
Response.
Meanwhile, so money buy and so man trade time and come commissioner. You contract and also pay any issue. Say, oh, Bosumi we nanka ye barbe till hospital nano na your operational and our contractor and pay and some de buy. We don't know yet.
Kwame, even the point 4 no, the omusha I can also say they are being untruthful. So because even if
that is it.
Assuming without admitting say contract in Kwame Dino more BBR. The contractual agreement in say in December and hand you over.
Yes.
You hand you over. Also hospital team no call for your friends inspection.
Yes.
A day inspection and problem in Takando mo call ye. Anko pro mu akọ commission. Omu commission for what?
So now you see.
No, that's what I'm saying. Say taking the proper perspective.
No, yeah.
Say this Ministry of Health, omu ye lip service than the actuals on the grounds.
Absolutely.
Because to me,
exactly.
Say if they have to hand over in December 2025, December 2025, they were not dated on the day. Say 31st, say 30th. They didn't give a day.
Yes.
And it can be 31st of December.
It can be 25th.
It can be 25th.
It can be 3rd December.
That's all. And once they've handed over, even in December 1st, no cry. The hospital team with the technical people have to go for inspection.
That's true.
And then the major stakeholder because financially the major stakeholder the World Bank almost a representative that almost inspect it and it's our due diligence and was it done problem in Takando catches or no problem in Takando catches they wanted to commission the hospital. It is a lie.
So you see
and mo kwa commission hospital na what you are telling Ghanaians ni say monya due diligence et wenya World Bank for project ana kaya GOG project and come kwa commission without doing due diligence I will say enyama ewom no that is the required enyama wo the building itself and no anana contract nika that is rush. That is how Ghana ye juma. The leaders are not being responsible when it comes to monitoring and supervision.
So, like the exact point I was just trying to make, because say, Nkofoi any amia who say somehow until I'm and somehow say bribine shebe bi no mum pesi behu ni di nti no omonyam beti ano. You just don't get it. And they are just only giving excuses galore. Enkwa no omodeba. Enkwa no omodeba. As to cross say woman admit what this letter you must say and bomb the contractor and can woman in a kakranso and also has an acquire some for. So you see, it is more or less there. Yeah, the politics can care about time, but we have been technical for you not to see what is happening. And I can say the Nkofono agent wow more canon. It is moon person babeti anoni ebeka say bia party we na ye etino say timo beti ano ya wase mo de credit at the moment, and that is our problem as a nation. We don't want to acknowledge a man for and what your my ho. What is wrong with acknowledging your share as here? So what be we are obi share as here and our baby. So giving acknowledgement to the person and say she and hashi, giving recognition doesn't spoil anything. It means that you accept continuity and you accept duty and responsibility. That's all. But you see, this country, see, I'm nice anima yi the suban we are a woman now. Sa suban ya a woman ya. Ebe had you and no be na to agenda one way. I don't just a near Pia AC woman. Intasia nim Senka aban bi ba no okase ani we na ahase but me twaso because aban ye ntwaso ti amfa won say this in the shase amfa won say ni MPP the shase me twaso na mawie because ni nyina ye wie a Ghana for na e ba beboa Ghana for na e benya so mfaso Ghana for e na betem faso na di na boanso na te or how ni oye na bia e bia e what this particular sector health sector and what education sector and what this sector na teso na ban no so aboa, but we are not doing that. We are always focusing on politics.
Kwame can say we say
Sompa FM
Honorable Kwame Akando may acknowledge the input all put in Ebra Yeyinas Minister for Health. He's doing well, especially going around to all the hospitals. But take certain decision in a haste. Meaning your brief Honorable Kwame Akando. Yenya 1, yenya 2, yenya 3. And the speed and rate to okon. And you're perfect. But the briefings that he's getting, he's not getting things right. Okoya san yamanyama yebia watamali. Sanya manyama ya bi 37 military hospital. Sanya manyama ya bi na ayasa app ya. Eba ya e drew a point in time. Na abeye hot. They say say go for so they call court.
They say call hospital na ko.
Eba ya hot. Ya hot sa you know all because of say a brief say server ni wo baby and then bibi won up to now. Yendim di ade ne ko. Now with this wage idea ya obabekin she contradictions o mu ya momu a project anim say basic 2025 December sa 2025 na wo say nkamu kwa commission due diligence be na wo ya wo ma hu say bibia was yenya wom no yenya because 11 products 11 machines are o mu procure ya World Bank for raising red flag no yam briefu na wonim
and this
Kwame me ba yam briefu no onim ye briefu no e den na oye fa ho ansa na oye na so commission because if your sponsors have raised a red flag say when they are not going to continue now buy na say minister ye briefu no wan pe ho hwe anye odi mirika tenten say okwa commission de And look at the point 5, what they say. The ministry wishes to assure the people of Ghana that it is actively engaging all stakeholders to resolve the matter in the best interest of the public. So you are now going to resolve the matter.
Yeah, so you didn't
you are now going to engage. So what happened to engagement before? So according to you, commission. What kind of untruthful beings are we bringing up? And yet, we should be truthful to ourselves. It's a matter of priority, Mamwa. World Bank for some kind of thing. Omo hwese project ni besi was are na nka te said agenda 111 near other projects akawie enwura mu no. And you are here telling us say nyankofo do mania din no mania bre say ya ma ade we enya white elephant ensi ho a. Na mo te ho no bia te ho. Now that you are going to do engagement, I feel once a sub project is important. Why? At the end as of my, what are we doing to ourselves? Bibia basa. Unless people start to talk about things, our responsibility now, or your core responsibility, taxpayers' money, yedi chair cano, yedi fuel mo car, mo demo, mo enjoy no. Asano mayo mojuma. What didn't Kwame Nkwantabisa said? What didn't he say? About no hope opposition. And some of us, our trust, are building up in you. Say they will go for see ya, dear no. Bamo yam bound say I say Ghanaian spectators. Bo koso yenim ko teacher and coach no. Ya de ko gina so na ya asem. That is what he's exhibiting. Me maka say de ya maka say the wrongs that is going or hospitals no or putting people on their toes is helpful. But the briefing na onya no kwabrem time can do briefing onya. Meaning baby onya briefing ni free. Why the rush? Why the lies? Why?
Sompa FM.
And you're fine. It is not the best. And some of these things, you have to mean because already we have cheap compounds, agenda 111, a gumram. The Amoankasa Mosha Sia. MPP for by Obama to us. A bit as gumram. Agenda 111 MPP for Suja Hoko Sisi, and also so a big gumram. And wait, dear baby, it's a matter of sitting down. Contractor and crowd porno. Akacho said there are standing issues until we have to resolve it. And now that we are writing this letter to prove that you guys are doing something. Meanwhile, 2025, other contracts and cry, hand you over. You know, said December, and also hand you over. Now, we didn't Kwako commission. Yeah, boy, and some hey, contractor, no. I know who say also did a nice form near finalizing your man. Come with the medical commission here, knowing very well said there are issues. With the mechanic coin. Aquaco issue at the abundance say a young year. Yes, I know, man.
And Kwame. Sir Kwame Uber ready point says now it tells you said your motron was Rohokra, they are lying. So ready point says now they are lying. Because point 6 is that the ministry acknowledges the critical importance of the hospital within Ghana's healthcare delivery system. They do not consider that. Because if they consider that, no one said a World Bank suspend is a wound to your car, come be per a car a walk home. Why near the car? Why they will see you tiano? Now, the question is, a hospital and uncle, most or more commission and operation. A can't that honor, not why near tia. World Bank has and when it Nkomoko commission. How did they come to the conclusion? Says the hospital na ye abind the Zedi abidi abind sa inti abind bitimi akwakoye. It means they didn't understand and know say there was some a kabi shebe bintina e was so mutu efiri wo kran sa na makwakoye. And you see through the letter, if you read, you can see contradictions and lies all over in the letter. You see. The model of mining here because of politics and MWA. Because of politics, MWA. I don't know, a B, A, C, A, C. Oh, be perso pre no agent and Nimunyam no agent funds for political gains, you know. And there may be a while, and what's a good to me say, we knew Kwaso yet, when there was war, you know, on yet. no the politics in nam ho sa bata ho sa na mo ye so now the letter you've brought with responding to the enkofo ekoye you are now exposing yourself that lot. You are exposing yourself, baby. I mean, I want to say, the more cover letter in Mokrano, and test out only so. No question be a nim. Just say, more trouble for the BTA. Ade Agana for any other Jin kind of phone and Tiase, Ade Agana for your parking car. It is not like that again. More ditro. Now come and tell us the state of the hospital, baby Edru. The state of the hospital, baby Edru. The bank and a mobile commission because you didn't provide such a Charlie la
Mama Kwame Nkwantabisa so that's a baro pegidi. Mama anope be will say Ulysses and Barbara the video be send me and say what is this? Say Ghana is back Ghana. Yanga see any fly them oh Moya young pa, moya young. Moya young, mofa aeroplane into so, mofa aeroplane into so. Now say moya young pa, you listen me, hey, or when yaji, say, Ghana and you say be at say, Kwame Baku grad say, Ghana Airways. No, that's moya young pa, at your money at the say Ghana, and rabbit, hey.
That's what I'm on your mind.
This is idea how the bands move about so. No question the behui. Our peravesre. I was a sound producer as I boss. Are we not talking about this? That's oh, baby. I the way I will come as well. Man car we producer, but mammy correct a misconception. I want it. And yet Ghana is near Ghana dear. And yet Ghana dear. There we. Na papa bi na your friend no Mawan Tabusi a friend Tabusi Mawan Tabusi na ono no I think so in 2025 okowu UK ho baby ono ana that Ghana cargo for no ano na omo operate we I think we kra aba no nsisi abaya miensa ana wo aha no omo de ye cargo enti etafa perishable goods pa se vegetables ni sanwoma no ene tai efa as cargo eta akopa enti Ghana no de has been there for some time but a breaky kakra ana omusan ebai na in 2025 last year I think so Mawan the ene di anpanyin no ekokam ti we ye outdooring of another one e chere say they say, oh, I think say my memory serves me right. I man me read about it. But kakra me kai found because one say manage playing some
Sompa FM.
Manage until my minimum kakra found. I think say so when the third one or so. Yes, indeed. And Ghana, the one with the say, I buy, I could to play. Baba, yet you are Ghana. Okay. There we ever check Accra. So, mommy, correct. But, Yanko Greater Accra, regional minister, no so. There's a video. Na circulating is in echo viral. Na sasem no. Maybe ABC between a police officer and a contractor. Minim somebody kaya. Na police officer no ejina car bi na car na contractor waji din pa wo kroma pa contractor ba ku waji din wo kroma pa eka so omu jina car na omu try say omu be hwehwe car nim na won say omu a ebu omu agi din ni ade ade nyoma bi o a omu ntanye because the police for ntanye na wo mu ya mo sa kind of respect and unity. But this police officer decided to do his work, whether in good faith or bad faith, because Nebinzo can say, now he wanted something and the guy did not mind them, that man, yes, as I did, but me, I believe he was doing his work, his professional work. To Ojira, I don't know what I can say. Onfa, ne nyoma ni ade ade no oye nse na wuni me ona ne kasa na wuni me ona ne kasa na osu ni me ka me ma menwe we na mka ese be confuse amanfo ana ka chense na wuni me ene wo ya memia transfer it was an MC rather a DC no so obemia transfer na kokro bi so na I was happy whether say na either say na police ni nim so move video no share that yes sir or so obemia de na ko hin obo okro bi din so and the police officer said say na de ho de enye kuro nya nipa ne wo wa na minim say ring a bell to you no obusan said de ho ba bia wo ka say o de ba mam ne ho de enye nipa ane wo ana hwe ye ya de bi o man mu aho ya na emia ye ho kon ya de ye hye ho akomfo if you want to decentralize things ye pese baby bia a development the development no ya na ade ba kwa ya adwenta nko so ye our human capital enti nipa ebekọ baby when it comes to education, when it comes to health, when it comes to town and country planning, when it comes to rural urban development and all that, a human capital and it can. The moment you be picture baby say what ye the do kwa na as a ye de twa so no, the more reason why you a lot of young guys, young women are energetic and vibrant. Omo migrated from Omunkrom to the capital. And the second capital, as Americans are be ya. Till the won't call for bebre so mu free north. Eba and crime. Eba Kumasi. All because say these regions have been deprived of a lot of things. Enti omuso abro chire ene nkran ene Kumasi. Enti obia owo nkran. Enim say apart from nkran no, empanfo no bebre apart from nkran ni Kumasi no. Other regions na aka ne de enye baby. So sometimes if you are in some of the regions, we have been in some of the regions, so people say, hey, that means I say na high FSA because you are painting say areas be on ma. A lion den say a dog's cage so I don't know. So you have a whole regional minister saying it with vim and all the authority in her. Na me da bia me kan. Yeah, me say okoto sa asem bia se musa say ye de bu se nano me ye den. That is what you get. Why me say your man mu na say yes nkofo bi beba vetting. Na say okaya yan rush omu through and she was one of the people. Yan rush omu through. We will not ask them questions. We rush them through.
They be see no.
They be see no. Because the appointment committee is there, say they will scrutinize, they will intervene, they will ask questions to see the intelligence, the power, the willingness, the zeal of the appointee, no. Ni ahwe ni tumi any even the mentality ansani amanatana akonya so. I may say appointment committee say ya no mbeko so aye ne dia. There is no need for appointment committee so mkwa kwatena se age akwaje allowances adnum ti ase yesika kwa. Before so mbe wie nipa ba ko minimum pibi odum so nkwa bottle no nkwa 5 na nipa ba ko bi abenum 5 ah. All in the name of the taxpayer. Then Kevin, now you can put the video on. You have a regional minister. This is not a slip of tongue. Onim the oil. Say, okay, say a slip of tongue. Ah, what mean such only the wapa?
A slip of navigation.
There be and when you slip of BBO, why are there we?
And yes, I know best way.
Ah,
and then no best work.
Kwame.
Of me, and you see. You see, those or
why you do this?
Those are the released by, but it was a dense like way of communicating and saying things.
Say mama ne ka say. Obeye odwo mbekwa. Ne ehun so o de bia ehemfunso bi. What you makọ?
O say ntina ya e de obukọ.
Ya de obukọ. Ya yi omo mba no ma be sua nyansa.
It's a dense communication.
Now, Kevin, show the video. Then
has been transferred to the north. I mean, just to serve, I mean, as a kind of punishment for them, so that when they realize that what they did was wrong, and they bring them back to Accra or other places. So if you issue a permit to an illegal, knowing very well that the place is illegal, you issue permit, you also face the law. Some of them has been transferred to the north. I mean, just to serve, I mean, as a kind of punishment for them, so that when they realize that what they did was wrong, and they bring them back to Accra or other places. So if you issue
Mami, enko kan Accra nko ankura den kan mini problem.
Aduaba na ye de share for no.
Afifi
Aso aba. Enu aba aso ni. Se mo say abetena se wo boni din, mo so ani in wo boni din.
On sorry ko.
Mo sorry akwa.
You see?
The eba ni.
You see?
So like vetting committee no my disservice to Ghanaians.
Mo dia Kevin.
Disservice to Ghanaians.
Mo ye we mami na mo be
lunch.
Mo be lunch. When there be a lunch, mo be correct lunch.
Correct lunch.
Mo hwehwe mami we vetting mami.
The vetting video do. Yeah.
Na mo hwehwe se de Kwame kaide aduaba na waduaba. Anyini aso aba na abanini. Dabia ye ka se won ka se nim se wajibi ala ni biazo. Etivetin na be mu akasa me ewu se onim nyansa na ansa bi wajibi. Enti obi betena on ye se odun de yemma ne nkwa de ye hu ani. But kevia da so se mo che de a lunch na mete so. Anya se mo ba be spend 1 hour na makwa ko na so lunch ni mo cha mete so. And I'm to serve as I'll just take you to a hadier quality. I'll just take you to a hadier now. Oh, Babaka, Chironyans and SS, now could hey, a punishment. Now you have a regional minister.
Tis said, you don't go a northern region.
That may be your own what would the hadier? What the regional minister says. At the end of our council, I assume dear to our heart because encrying, and you kumasi, encrying, greater Accra and Ashanti region, time. We have Nkofua, we supposedly they are supposed to be experts. There are people they are supposed to know about town and country planning. Enti baby ode dan besi no nim say in the next 50 decades, in the next 5 decades, sorry,
Sompa FM.
Baby a dining no enko see any havoc. 50 years to come, 20 years to come, 10 years to come, enko see any havoc because ye azumi say omo no wo eni a ordinary person any to omo ni hu kwa chire. So they plan ahead. And these same people, our assembly, our KMA, our AMA, our SMA, our TMA, and a issue lines is a say lines is na ye issue no, and your lines is papa ni issue, but ye be issue many panel. Akwa ko si wo baby nsuo fa. Ye nim say na kwase asema asabi yesa wom kra ne say. Omo be ma history say oh aha kanini nso bi ti da how. Who told you that they don't know? Kofodom kwa akoma including the lands commission ni omo nka on. Omo be ka ma history say some years ago ne nso ti da ha. They know. Omo be ma the history aha ya akra kodwom, aha ya hen, aha ya fahin kosia. And so still ya be ma permit amwesi ho. And it is troubling. And the adena ma many year. Onam ana all advocate omu but kɔfɔ no kan nyina afiri omo office o afiri ba bia o advocate oh ba me ne madam bekasa and etobia MPs no MMDCs no and regional ministers no skebi o mo gia ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyɛw mu
dabi a form ko ho
sika ne ba ne aka kyerɛ so contractor we ne se obɛkyia we de nka bibi kakra ne fa to nsuo
ani
nipa na oh my guys are good yankwai
the former Katamanso MP. I've seen my respected colleague Honorable Ashmo also in the former MP for Shai Osudoku himself is also there in his traditional mama, and who else am I not seeing? Well, Honorable nominee, I have seen Honorable Henry Kote, former Minister for Greater Accra Region, former Interior Minister, former MP. I have seen Honorable Titus Glover. It appears that you have an army of wise men supporting you. You've conducted yourself well in Parliament. You are a respected colleague. I don't see why Honorable Doyo should be so close to you as if there's going to be a problem. I have some few questions for you which may take some 2 hours, but don't panic. Don't panic. By your good conduct, I'm sure we will reserve those questions for another day. Congratulations. I don't have the power to discharge you, but I'm sure Chairman is going to discharge you. Have a blessed evening.
Thank you very much. Let me use the opportunity to acknowledge our revered chiefs, former members of Parliament, former ministers present here to give moral support to the minister designate for Greater Accra. Honorable Minister nominee, you will surely hear from the... Please.
I wish that guy.
Touching the matter in
more
issue.
than 7 minutes.
Touching the matter in issue
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honorable nominee, please, in 2 minutes, just tell us about yourself. Just 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Let me use this opportunity to thank the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Her Excellency the Vice President, Professor Jenana Opoku-Agyeman, for recognizing me in this role. I also want to use this opportunity to thank the 13 traditional councils. Let me also use this opportunity to thank the good people of Shai Osudoku for giving me the nod to step in the shoes of my late husband when he died in a car accident after winning the 2016 NDC prize.
Please, thank you, but tell us about yourself.
My name is Linda Obinewa Akwele-Oklu. I come from a sibling of 5. I'm the second born and a twin. My mother is a girl from Osu, my dad, Fanti. I have worked with Provident Insurance. I have worked with Standard Chartered Bank, SNAIT, Infinity Investment, and Old Mutual Life. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Oh, this is the old papa.
Papa fancy.
But into fancy. No, mommy and cream. Okay. Chairman. Chairman, I think this the nominee is our colleague. I have seen our very senior former MP seated behind her. I've seen another senior of mine, of ours, the former Kon Katamanso MP. I've seen my respected colleague, Honorable Ashmo, also in. The former MP for Shai Osudoku himself is also there in his traditional mama. And who else am I not seeing? Well, Honorable nominee, I have seen Honorable Henry Kote, former Minister for Greater Accra Region, former Interior Minister, former MP. I have seen Honorable Titus Glover. It appears that you have an army of wise men supporting you. You've conducted yourself well in Parliament. You are a respected colleague. I don't see why Honorable Doyo should be so close to you as if there's going to be a problem. I have some few questions for you, which may take some 2 hours, but don't panic. Don't panic. By your good conduct, I'm sure we will reserve those questions for another day. Congratulations. I don't have the power to discharge you, but I'm sure Chairman is going to discharge you. Have a blessed evening.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me use the opportunity to acknowledge our revered chiefs, former members of Parliament, former ministers present here to give moral support to the minister designate for Greater Accra. Honorable Minister nominee, you will surely hear from the committee. You are hereby discharged.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
This committee, touching the matter in issue.
I mean, who speed or this record? So who speed or this? Interview in vetting in any.
And in 5 minutes, 9 seconds.
More behind I say, Bia, Omudim Komo,
Nina, full video of a mameno ne vetting when 5 minutes, 9 seconds. Nina, a beer, never be a view. We and Doctor No, the Nina, so we are Koswa.
Sompa FM.
He who fights and runs away needs to fight another day.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Afenyo Markin says, he said,
questions.
Lot of about questions. 2 hours for her.
But he's reserving it.
But he's reserving the questions for another day.
That's
so
generous of him.
Another day is here.
Yes, that's so generous of him.
Diana Diabana Udia
or the Shasas in a seno.
Afefe, Enyini,
Fifi,
Aswaba,
Abanani Ateno.
That's all.
That's all. Yes.
Yeah. And the fear Nina was questioned from the minority.
Yes.
The leader of minority.
Yeah.
Afenyo Markins and his colleagues and Kwame. The ye now I'm sorry, I can give you more vetting, and it's reflecting. More ministers be vetting me say yeah. Near more mukoye reflected and a critical example any. Now some now kind of duaba na wudua no afifi anyini aso aba ti aba no ose okuafo no kogu ye na ebi ko nkase mu ebi ko asase pepperel ze asase pepperel so ebi ko good soil mu na ebi won me nyini nkase di mia ne ku no ebi won so a enyini no enya ensuo ni ade nti ewu ye ana ebi won so good soil no so enyini ye enti aduaba no de good soil so no ye be hu de ko gu nkase mu de gu abotan so nyina
ni
that is it.
And I Yankopon so ka say yanya mani nyina emom nyini
na twabre ni wa
ye be hidie ye
and twabre ni
twabre ni ye be hu de ye nwira ne de ye
twabre na ye
twabre no ani
the apology letter no
hey Christ of Nazareth.
So more for apology letter into so Honorable Linda Obenewa Akpele Oklo, Greater Accra Regional Minister. Oklo. For immediate release, clarification and apology. If you ask the mami jakra ya o pacho na di bi beta ho a. Ba me nye che o pa.
O see the end of the day.
Clarification.
Over clarify there. Ti di o kan ye no ya ante ase. Ya ante nso. Ne ya so asi.
Ti omo mo
ya. Ti o be so kire say.
Omo mo ya wa pacho ntimi nyan no. Me kan krata na kire.
Wa me nti o pa kire say. Kasa no o kan ye no. Enye kasa ye ti ase.
Dabi.
Dutch, French, Latin. Nti ya ante ase. Nti afi no oba be kire ne kasa na se. Ye da na se.
My attention has been drawn to opening a salutation. My attention has been drawn to a widely circulated video in which I made remarks suggesting that posting to the northern part of our beloved country could be considered as a form of punishment. Hell, I made remarks suggesting. This time wasn't suggesting, no. It was saying. It back as a video no was suggesting. I video was I wish to state without reservation, not even reservation or what the clarification become here, that the comment captured in the video were a genuine slip in communication and do not reflect my considered views. Hey. Nor do they represent the established policies and procedures governing staff postings. Oh, bawaka ebi ho ya find this you say bi kra ebi afri Greater Accra northern region. And the northern region for Greater Accra for mba ho nyina ye de mba ho as punishment. That is the modus operandi sir. Omu use o Greater Accra. Within the public service, the clarity, I was responding to a media question regarding concerns that same technocrats alleged to have engaged in the issuance of development permits without due process. Obi o ka say century adwuma no. Century adwuma na dey be wu ne yawu. Me ka no kra che one. Century no ko busa me ehu de woni mu. Sorry a. Na mo te o bodwe. Century adwuma no ne den. Within proximity, without due process and sometimes posted to district within proximity, thereby allowing such practices to persist. In response, I reference to instances where some individuals have been posted to areas far from their usual places. You were emphatic of residence. Regrettably, afena wokasa. My choice of words created the unintended impression that such postings were punitive. I sincerely acknowledge the concerns that this has generated, and after my unreserved apology, now so straight without careful biya. We are seeing na ye goofy. Me ma goofy pen. Me goofy a me ba be pacho. Ba be biya me hiya me time say. Also be clarify. Na de ne nam as o pacho o clarify o pacho. Sa tem na sa de na ye time. Me can't mu plain. waka ka wo sha ase you apologize unreservedly wa acknowledge the why you acknowledge said your year no enye then you apologize tie obi abedo obi abeka say wa pa chew now you are clarifying and apologizing. It is not your trust akrata we ma so unso we you read proof here now so catching so any clarification. There's no justification or whatsoever to the comment that you made. It was explicit. It was video. We all saw it. We read your lips and we realized your intention and what you were saying. Enti said the Yankopon kasa chira wa wakuma panso e ka che ose be pacho. Then so the clarification bi aba baby.
Kwame, the letter now was the abano from paragraph 1 to 7. It be any why should so pacho. Now the essence say asem no cry last paragraph no. But say I respectfully urge the public to treat this matter as clarified. What did she clarify?
I didn't clarify.
This
should be apology letter, not clarification. There's an insult to the people of the North.
So you see,
it's an insult
you see, Kwame,
to the people of the North.
Kwame, so you see,
fine.
Should we take it as a clarification? Even if it is a clarification letter, you didn't clarify anything. If we are to go by that, you didn't clarify anything. Neither did you apologize.
What?
There was no apology in this letter. No way, no paragraph.
Paragraph 4 was so excellent. But why is a quote one year not be better? I sincerely acknowledge the concerns that this has generated and offer my unreserved apology to all Ghanaians, especially my brothers and sisters in the northern regions, for any misunderstanding, offense, or discomfort caused. I wish to assure the public that I hold the highest regards for due process, equity, and professionalism. I remain fully committed to ensuring that all administrative decisions, including staff posting and transfers, are carried out strictly in accordance with laid down rules and regulations and without prejudice. And say if you lay down rules and
on regarding due process.
Maybe a due process maybe a due process. I deeply value the trust reposed in me. And remain dedicated to serving the people of the Greater Accra region with integrity, fairness, and accountability. Goofy big type.
Because
I respectfully urge the public to treat this matter as clarified. Oh, no, here. Then he said, what near time cry.
And you, and your apology, and your clarification. It didn't serve none of the two. None. And several clarification. And several apology.
White rice, jollof.
Jollof, near found fried rice. Now, we are what's our Banku. No, I did so bolo. No, I did a good miss. So, dear Ben, now, all the none, so sad. We are not for you. Whether you did ask them, you did ask the communication team, they should help her.
Yes.
A call or Quabontino of the Casa. At least. A man, yes, at least. What you say? A man, I don't know. I'm a Nippon Wayambreno. I just say. But honorable, letter you cry and can withdraw letter. No, that's how powerful for brother Pacho. Hey, 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 but what baby, oh, yeah, Juman, so they are coming. Baby, oh, yeah, Juman, so you. Oh, yeah. I think I was with the member of parliament, and we knew council copy regional minister. There be regional minister. Because the whole why Kwame
Nkwantabisa or qualify. Penny credentials.
Matthias, you mean Kazo unqualified.
You may be a while moving into my interview.
I mean Kazo unqualified.
My man about tour.
Say,
vetting committee.
Say, and can the member of parliament in the year. But we the regional minister now exposing too much. It will be making 12 years by no. bibi ketewa bi obeyere na atene
to obeka sa this year
obeka say this Independence Day maybe awabe ma want to be because
we obeti bekaso
we want a boss anyway
azemi ediboni babe oklo we obeti bekaso
area game me nyanyumi ya no pa ya gabo
let no kra de
e bon change your beka ye no
change your kind say o clarify de
me nya say me ediboni an committee ya no pa pa
me ediboni Kwame sebi enya nyansensua ma appointees ni sometimes ahomaso we feel on top of the world position young the bia de am say nyame and mo feel on top of the world one fi ya
oh yes,
you think you are dealing with elite.
Yes.
So you are they are the best.
Cratchy.
Ungo be a former, shut up.
But Kwame, you know a simple message we so send their mind. I shall say a members of parliament dear bonnie, dear hammer all of the time. Dear hammer all of the time. The oversight responsibility ne sure Monsano. Woman fan ye juma said you also because this shouldn't have happened. But here it is. Yeah, for we are from now the conclusion I bet drawing na because say it is because say one subjecting to scrutiny to see say or qualify and son of mama no kwana mana babe nti mo ma ye ye
a hono kra no de bia me kase sa rubber stamp ade no mu ye enye pepa na nya ade kra edru fula ni apase no how many times me kase bin see down how many times na ati so bia converting
nti we Kwame say obi ko gina ba bi na o ka say obeye sure say a vetting committee no ebia o pe bi mo nti no mo pass ni through street odika so obi ko ka say
na say komodie be ko so na wo ade easy e komodie ko so obi sure
obi ka sa odika
me susu say komodie
yani say obi ka say bia members of parliament na vetting committee no AGB bia odika but so onipa no kasa me to me ni na chinye kese because abano they say they abano nti ebetumi a say ye do no
fertilizer or the be gu ni
na me be ka no ye do ye no ya nsiesie ade na si ye se be
enti aduaba ni betuma nyini ye dia hia OCP Ghana Limited
na so do so
obu na we fertilizer
na dey pass papa ba
MPK 1515
omoka
MPK 10-20-10 OCP fertilizer
enya fe na abeka se mangu fertilizer ni
fertilizer nyina mu kenkon
enya fe na abeka se mangu fertilizer papa
okuani
pede papa
season edro
use OCP
okwa dua onua baye
use OCP
vegetables
use OCP
cereals
OCP
legumes
OCP
na cereals no eburo
yes
emu
yes
ye keka ho
Sompa FM
eno hia OCP fertilizer
fa ho ne asase na wadua no baye no
15
ebeso do so
10-20-10
ebemana fifi kama
legume for nso
ane
monso mu hia OCP TSP
mudi eni
Kwame obia nim se fertilizer de
mo jana so
also to de ya hyedaye
anu na papa
eboa Africa
anu na correct
eboa Ghana
anu na eboa yensase no so
enkunwoma nse niema
na so no ba no
kanto sumemu fefefe
bebre
jene yemfanto 2 days na ase
apomudin sa wo
fertilizer papa
chenso
OCP fertilizer
it is near
tried and tested
yeda wase
me gardens ye no anam de bi
no kwasem
it is tried and tested ano pay go pebi
no kwasem
go pebi
no kwasem
go pebi
kwasem
anopa maminkan fu Roman father na dro ne mawo
o yentemwe
e dro ni nie
na ko pebi
e dro na dro ho
na numbi
namness
na mwa
honam aye otititi
bitu ase
asem na ya to
bitu ase
stroke
bitu ase
wabubu dem
obede ho
wadwe yo se endaso ni ho
obejina na so
un try Roman father dro
obejina wona so
honam tutu
kama
waye mmere
kama
ase waye wiki
yei
untimi nkwa adwuma
yei
dia ade a Roman father dro chiri kra se waye wiki odampem untimi ntini
Roman father nsuro yade onsuro yade
onsuro yade pressure
obetuna
diabetes
obetuna
yade ben
obiye
okun a enko
obejina wona
your friend chronic
yes
anope ohia Roman father ne dro me se ko drugstore bia pharmacy shop bia obenya bi 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 Roman father ne dro na ejina ne na so Kwame anope bomodin a se okwa akoyi mfonyini okwa akotwa video okwa akoye movie okwa akoye film opeso ye streaming opeso ye podcast bomodin hu RSYD Novigi studio ni state of the art equipment ni egum anopay enkran ye wo ye filmmakers ye photographers creative directors mu direct movies no amana koyi Malam Abiase off First Kokoko Street ehwane wo 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 friend ne metwetwa mfonyini no o video no kama emawo aropay eye tago heba mister bema die di guo no ma na ukro wanhwe na adwo no beda wo na wani te no akonum so no ahwe time
yes
if the near man joba dokido ba fifre tie beto already na deja kopo
Oda no
Ofalumba becheda
Oda no
Ofalumba becheda
Oda no
Neshi's uncle
Oda na
tago heba mister and in the capsules a man who ye ding impotency echo erectile misfunctioning hey bema die e mani nuru ho ansan yo ho adrusi low libido oni atenkan bema ne obanyina bobobi infections ahodo ne how o hwa ne mu abopɛ ne mu akatew ojo nso emaye infections there
yes
onya tago heba mister bobobi pharmacy shop drug stores herbal shop obenya bi 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 tago heba mister and in the capsules and I'll pay kwa clinic a full clinic a clinic benya a 21st clinic and I'll pay 21st clinic na make come for man Kwame 21st clinic na sciatica experts dem mom yade bia wosa yade bia wosa sisi yade
yes
oyafunu na yoya
yes
onti ase
David
Brian scan wo funu yamfa fidie nsisi so
ye behwe be bia
yɛhwɛ omojam yɛhwɛ yade kore ha yɛmfa ho aduru nka
yɛmfa ma wo
sɛ wose onya fisio na yemiemia wa omu ho mbe
ɛno so ye be ne kama
mfidie de wo ho
ɛno kwasɛm
enipa omunim de
no kore
enso wo ho
expert
21st clinic
21st clinic expert ba ko pe wo to ase yade
etwe wa besu na
wo nan wontumi mpagya
afedia wakadem
wonsa wontumi mpagya
yade kese na eba
sisi wontumi nya
yade kese na eba
sisi wontumi
nya 21st clinic over 15 branches
yes across Ghana
o de frequency center line no baby awo bi ebe direct no akode ebe ho 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 the sciatica experts Kumasi ehwa overseas ana ehwa dabraka ehwa ne ho yene Alpha radio ne ben so arope break Sompa TV Sompa FM osuru no mbo form oboase council quarters called junction Accra Tantra Hill Sunyane ubenyayen Nkransa ubenyayen Techiman ubenyayen Bray na also behwe ho ayaresa eye Kingdom Herbal Center Kingdom nu pani bi ye Kwame penie Kwame de ne Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters eno e boost immune system na ma immune na strong Kingdom nu pada na abayo eye Kingdom anopai uhia bi na boost immune system no stress ana council so uhia Kingdom garlic capsules any ni bitters numbness ti uhayo titi hypertension for stroke heart disease wakuma bo periperi wakuma yo late uhu de onyo hu cholesterol sade na esi abunka mu mesro uhia herba papa na herba na Kingdom garlic capsules eno ana ebo anopai ama ne nyina edi abo na ebie wiye ti anopai bomodia na kope wo de na bobo yenye de garlic bitters edi kan ba asasi so na eba ye no so obi anim over 15 years ni yada so gina na so Kingdom ginseng power capsules ye research unse mema no problem empamu nsem ya bebre ye unse omu sisi ye omu ye adwuma omu ye nti ye unse bema bu ati sa adwendwen mental stress obu onso ye unse ohia energy anopo de be sori akwa adwuma o kampam o sori ensori adi ya ye bema de onkwa adwuma na be de unya physical energy afei unkwamo anu so also pepe o shutu o se du achi Barbara mo kachia na ma ba na wa wo nkura ho fefo enti eye Kingdom ginseng power capsules tremendous capsules so ye mama
mapa
mema ni nya omu dia man say na ye dia mo ye frim na ye call your research and buy tremendous capsules
tremendous
uti dini tremendous eche bibia
tremendous
anope bo pe tremendous capsules ibi na naturally formulated ebo oba de offense ba ko kese pa yo trimi oba ho fe wo so ho ye fe trimi da bia wa combine fine but don't you sorry no pa no ani totoro na otimi basa eno firi ho a eya
oni asempo pro a
ai so ho fe said de na kwam ye bia himfi ho na
na ni perfume no ni perfume no board de nchen de to no abonte a
I didn't say room no de yeah bro no de for get ho
o se ho o de ya o se ho o de ya
Mayeka
ho o de ya
o se ho ade o se ne dia na dia family make
I said we Kwame na me ni happy
Laila
mande
I didn't try to tetra blade o se o supermax blade ada tete dia dey tetra try to tetra blade Mr. We have tremendous capsules.
O se ho wo de a
ho na beka
we wo de a
wa wo de a we have tremendous capsules oba man guase to o menses so menses ni fa home Mr. We have tremendous capsules and naturally formulated ebo 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 0559 761 144 per kingdom no penny bi na no pay wow alope yedi nkombo bebre yedi nkombo menhia south some course no yakeka ni nyina abobom kama sa enso so an yedi nkombo regional minister nkombo baye afi nsama ekoso organ na ewukwada ede na apese yete 0548931931 05551931 ene ukwada asembe na nso woka ene ona ye me panel member. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes.
Senior memo achara payo.
Mejo so opanyin kase.
Unu akwa suma dunem ka sefre kuma tinshia so.
Kwa ku ba ko pe ma mentie wei.
Alo pe ma mentie afale mo abaso na kase akubon sha obojuma. Na olabu dikem e ya ta duaza tele ba tiu pa ma mentie na France afmako. Ya Sancho the organizer secretary the boss to pa ma mentia na pa. O say nyampa Sunday ma na there. Me ma me obula jo cha watabre. The man happy mother tell am gazi akubon sha. Na ure media me help o my room to share. Nyampa na sia. La Ghana nya 70 years. Ba wo dia mako school man ko bi kwa mi timire. Ko mi din ko kwa mi timire. Mbecham busate mida me famonko abroche Africa country na mde moba mbecham busate country ha on my bay and the first capital e kwa the balance capital enye Baba Ghana e kwa different club kumasi e kwa na practice person prenya ba kokura te bia nya kwasha kwa na so o ma pena da yufum kofo e na sase so ya ntra kwan ne na o je kwa abbe no ba ya wato she obewie nkwakwano amma mnumie no ne nya so faso ba omo na ese so omo sumye no omo do omo ba omo na mwiem na eba ba yeni aye ya keke no so yesu ekwa yesu na mfom na akwanhia ne yenya etim de be aka na akodu no ye nya leader obetimi leader ma so de ekwa no leader obetimi bia free mama na te obenye biaye ense ba party for nyina no ebia no ba me mete yenya ne fana president a
Hello, good morning.
Morning,
Nyame adon opanyin.
Ida inyano aye yuwa baumia. Afna. Edini design. Edini mzwa ye junior baumia. Banso tanto kombe konkwa. Sema yake musu mena. So maintain chairman. Na anope menchi apana menchi akantina nyina kuka. Na Merida. The chief, the member of the secretary, regional. And you were declared, one of the neighbor, a Santa regional organizer. Mamma,
When organizer woman share south, organizer Abba. Kwame Nkwantabisa, Manso, you can say, the one I'm told the Tumaba or a lead for. But they can say, you never know what come. Let's say, Yama Abuto, Emma, and a monster of Moya Arbon, must be any fine, in a day, Yam say, they are going to up at 2020, 28 elections ahead of you. Because that about you, I'm a young say, there a credit than 10 baby, and if you look at because we think I'm Ghana, that can be out there. What will be the embodiment of the so can be and the very piano. You saw you come my two and you 2 days. You can't say, Babet, you not close for me. Let's go where the news are not. Okay, tell a phone is almost uncommon because we do so. The example of who will buy my phone was 3 woman. You know, come back up, what's it? And the Mumbai night, I'm a nephew. Then quite more, you're not telling me TV. What I say, and then the Mumbai night, I'm a lady. Therefore, one of your words, no more like the German or the Indian, or not what wasn't that the more. When you make only the other because of that, you didn't like. That's it. I can be a woman for acting. No,
May I say thank you, Junior Bami. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nyamia Dom Nanswe.
Sompa, my mama was working my family. Now, we are about to enter Sompa. Of course, I do not want one word. Now, Sompa, the one. Yakupo, now, my first video on I'm in Fantastic more than you are the center of that. I've done a wholesale your park support at the same time as school for motorists or this OP what happened to the action commander. I was at I'm a fantastic man and the basic boss. That's about power has maintained hard working people about that central. Oh my God, young coach at Donald. Now, me room at the other cosmos. Open so to almost for which a bumper for open yoga. Who to almost for your casa, or with it. There, since that is already a good. Let's say, in this set for 45, 1 10 Lamport, or Saturday health insurance, school feeding, cocoa mass train. The police is a 42. Yeah, they tell the express road that the mama stop having. You rock for that time, me papa engineer for close to former employer for difficulty. No, highways are ever activity. How route the mark of people to Masi? You must not have on what you want. What's the say? Also, Baba, you must have a many fire with Tamaki. Let's lay over to me. It won't say the son. Yeah, Jenna Sakadaho. Now, Babu for Baba, what was that? Why? But I won't pass yet that way. And Papa J, a card you that as support. I don't know, Pagana, Pagaya, what's that? That's where money after you for your mom said one need you know financial man and this way of what to be. That's right, road be done. One channel quality okay, much be taught us to Swami. So I was say, but what about it? The way they were propositions that the cat of fortune that's what now. Super, I don't pay a papa Kumasi. What's you almost said by another road as a friend for Yamuto was a unified. Make it when you met my Yana. You broke one number that that's who go. What's the that's who go? It's your man will plan the whole say go Jima. Mama, we go come to mama for the hard was at number. Let me write it in a minute.
Thank you, Roba Fada. Thank you. Bye-bye. Kevin. To our dear CEO, the Chief Executive Officer of 01 Media, Sompa FM, Sompa TV, Sompa Takwa, Sompa Takrade, Sompa Sunyane, Sompa Nkransa, Sompa Doma, Sompa Sunyane, Sompa Accra, Sompa Kumasi, 01 TV. Blessed Foster. Dr. Happy birthday to you. And the CEO of 21st Clinic, Dr. Blessed Foster and Ewa Wada. We ask for God's favor and mercy upon you. Today is a special day, and of course we are proud of you. We are proud to work under tutelage, and we say Namia obi eni pasua o mani shema wiase nyina ho Nyame nkoso en shaw akoma power ho brase ne odo a wo de maye nyina yes happy birthday doctor Nyame nkoso anyo kese kopim so obaye okese pa happy birthday we love you so much Dr. Blessed Foster a guide to Okay. Yanto so na and also DJ Righteous birthday. DJ Righteous, happy birthday, bro. One of the outstanding DJs. Very humble, hardworking DJ Righteous. Love you so much. Happy birthday, finest DJ. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Sweet Minat from your dearest friend Mama Eni. Happy birthday, Sweet Minat. Enjoy this wonderful day. Happy birthday. Roll it. And happy birthday to Juliet and Julio from Apostolic Fire Crusaders. Your uncle Deacon Richard Kusi of the Apostolic Fire Crusaders Ministry. One uncle saw Mama Wadapa was saying Yamisha and Mamu. Unyini Mayan Penny Kessi. Happy birthday, Juliet and Julio. And happy birthday to Manaf at Ofori Chrome constituency from Justice Kwaku and Nia, Deputy Communication Officer Hopeful and Regional Communication Team Member, respectfully, Yami Justice. Justice of Wadapa, Yami Shaw, no your Kese, Yami Monisu Adi Hunina Embrem. Happy birthday, Mana. And happy birthday to Asari Kofi Kenspa. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Enjoy grace, enjoy wonderful moments. And happy birthday to Helena Aqua. Auntie Nana. May God bless and protect you in everything you are doing from your brother. Tio, more money. Your brother Tio loves you so much. Happy birthday, Helena. And happy birthday to Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, the Chief Director, Directors, and staff of the Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy, and Religious Affairs. Happy birthday, the humble MP, humble Minister, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. Honorable, happy birthday to you. May you succeed in all your service. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to Juliana Asoma, radio presenter of Life FM Nkoko. Mami Julie, happy birthday, beautiful one. May all your heart desire come to pass. May you aspire and be inspired by God. Happy birthday. It's a party. This is from Sergio. Oh, Mama. Happy birthday to Lot Hazard Boardum. Happy birthday, Hazard. Enjoy this day. Enjoy grace. Enjoy peace. Happy birthday, Hazard. And happy birthday to Janet. Ramabi. Janet, happy birthday, Jane. Happy birthday, beautiful one. Enjoy grace. Enjoy wonderful moments. Yami sure no your kesibebre. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Nana Ama Love. Enjoy this day. Enjoy more blessings. Happy birthday, Nana Ama. On that note, say waka ba na team ni nyina ready from na Kwame Nkwantabisa amanfo Nkwantabisa ni nyame show no ntin anim show. So I'm ready sports, Papa sports, Borobo atena say na omo som yen ewo ha.